Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to open Task Manager with shortcut. Okay, so I'm using Windows 11 and my laptop is Dell Precision 7740 and uh, it is a workstation. So every Windows OS support Task Manager, and that's the default application to control softwares. So it is the basic thing, and you can also access this one by using this shortcut key at any time whenever your PC is hanging. That means your desktop is totally empty, there is no taskbar, there is no icons, there is only a desktop image. Then you can easily access the task manager by shortcut. Okay, so this application is designed by using very light uh, RAM, so it will be open at any time in your computer. So how to open this? The shortcut is very simple. Shift, just press Ctrl Shift Escape. Okay, Ctrl Shift Escape. Then you will get this task manager. So in this way, you can easily understand what is your system performance, and also you can there is much more functions. You can understand how much is your installed memory, disk usage, and GPU usage. Everything you can check by here. So that's guys the very simple tutorial, and once again I will tell you what the shortcut is. Simply press Ctrl Shift Escape. At any time you can open these things. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. We'll post my replies as video so you can easily watch understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.